Yo, what is good, y'all? We is back with another video, man. No yappity. Hey, listen, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna say this for right now. Look, got my baby with me, you feel me? And, you know what I'm saying? I got Mike. Hey, Michael, where you going? Bro, Michael, he's somewhere. Bro, he just went inside the woods. Bro, he be tripping, bro. But nah, this is day 8, you know what I'm saying? Day 8 upload, you know what I'm saying? You see, we in the middle of who know where's, you feel me? But listen, today in this video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to do a burnout, cause y'all be, bro, y'all don't be knowing what y'all be doing, bro. Y'all be making me mad. It's not gonna be me doing the burnout. And before anything get done, you know what I'm saying, we are in a controlled environment, you know what I'm saying, a safe spot, and we have permission to do it here, you know what I'm saying. I'm not doing nothing. Michael is gonna, bro, he's still not back, bro. Oh. Bro, Michael's gonna be doing it, you feel me? So with that being said, you know what I'm saying, yo, that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, all right, you hear me? I ain't gonna lie. Is this a camera? They got cameras. But yeah, I'm saying, I'm gonna show y'all, know what I'm saying, like what you need to do, you feel me? Like, cause a lot of people don't be knowing, you know what I'm saying, what, you know what I'm saying, what's going on, you feel me? So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying. But while we here, you know what I'm saying, I just wanna say, you know what I'm saying, I appreciate everybody who tuned into my videos, you know what I'm saying. In less than 24 hours, I had, you know what I'm saying, a lot of views, and I see the views, you know what I'm saying, slowly progressing, you feel me, slowly going up. So I appreciate everybody, you know what I'm saying, who do subscribe and who is, you know what I'm saying, locked in with me, you feel me. I appreciate everything, you know what I'm saying, that y'all doing. Facts. Because it's tough, you feel me? It's tough, in my opinion. It's honestly tough, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I appreciate that, my guys. So basically what I'm gonna be doing right now, I'm gonna be the one, you know what I'm saying, telling y'all what y'all need and everything, and he gonna demonstrate for y'all feel me? Like I said, I don't condone and nothing illegal, you know what I'm saying, no illegal activity. But we have permission to be doing, you know what I'm saying, things, you know what I'm saying, here. So it's good, my guys. It is good, my guys, you feel me? It's very good. So what you are gonna need is my hand's ashy, bro, don't mind it. But 2 eggs, you need 2 eggs. I know y'all probably gonna think, oh, what are you doing? I'm saying this and that. Bro, just get the 2, bro, just get the eggs, bro, you good. Just get it, trust me. Just believe in me, and you know what I'm saying, just get the 2 eggs. And while you got the 2 eggs, get the 2 water bottles, you know what I'm saying? It don't have to be a water bottle, it could be a cup, but why wouldn't you bring a water bottle? Why would you just have a random cup? You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you got water, you know what I'm saying? Like something that's inside something, you feel me? Like, I don't know, make sure you get a water bottle, bro, just get a water bottle. So those are the 2 things that you need, okay? You know what I'm saying? So from right here, I ain't gonna cap. I see Michael coming. All right, bet. Look, Michael gonna take over the video. So when Michael, bro, I ain't gonna lie, he walking slow, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm just telling y'all in when Michael come over here, cause he just, what did you? I'm gonna tell y'all in when he come. Like, he gonna come. But then the 18-wheeler comes, so I gotta move real quick. And now since we moved for the 18-wheeler, now we gotta wait for Michael to come, all the way from over there. And you know he walks slow, so I'm saying, you know, I don't know, something is really wrong with Michael, low key. Like I feel like something is, I don't know. I can't talk about Brody, because you know what I'm saying, that's the guy, you feel me? That's my guy.
Hey, how you doing?
Bro, why did you come out the woods looking like me, bro?
No,
Man, whatever, bro. Let's just start this video off, bro. Come on, like the car's right there, bro. All right, so y'all already showed y'all how to do everything, bro. So I'm just let Michael, you know what I'm saying, do what he got to do, bro. Cause
okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all, okay? So here got a vehicle right here. You know what I'm saying? And, hey, where you put the eggs?
bro, the eggs is in the car, bro. The eggs is in the car.
Okay, whatever your problem is, the heck I do to you. Alright, so look, bro, just get inside the car, bro. Find your egg, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Here got the eggs right here. And get your water bottle, bro. Like, I don't know if he told you what the water bottle, you know, he kind of slow. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't understand what he got going on with himself. He mad on his period and stuff, you feel me? Got it? I don't know what's wrong with him, bro. And then deep in this annoying, oh my gosh. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get my eggs in my water bottle. First, what you gotta do, bro, you know, I'm just, I'm saying, give 1 egg. Listen, you know what I'm saying? 2, give 1 egg, right? Here, pop that junk, you feel me? And then, sit on top of the tire, you know what I'm saying? Pop that junk on the tire, you see? Play the junk out, you feel me? You see the egg, yo, let the junk sit down on the thing. Just keep that out there. Get the other one, bro, you feel me? Like, I ain't got broken in my nerves. But listen, this is how you do a burnout for real, but like, I ain't about to, you know what I'm saying, play no game, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you get that egg, yo, on there, you know what I'm saying? All over the tire, things of the nature. Then you get your water, you feel me? And you got a pitcher of water. Hold up. You gotta put your water on your affair. You gotta get your tire wet, bro. Like, people don't understand this part. You gotta get your tire wet. Thing to that nature. Gotta get the tire wet, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just know that. That's again, this is the part that you wouldn't know about. But people just be don't know. I don't know. They just don't be listening, bro. Don't know what they do, bro. But get yourself inside the car, bro. Listen, you inside the car. Close your door. This will be a button right here, bro. Start the car up. You know what I'm saying? Listen, and I want everybody to listen to this. Depending on what kind of car you got, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what it do. Start your car up, and I said, boom. Put it on in sporty mode, you feel me? Oh, not that. But put the push tomorrow. Put it in sport mode, you feel me? Hold down to your traction. Boom, you feel me? You push traction. Right there, it's to say that. Right, look, what's this? It's also say this too. Rico, it's also to that. You feel me?
And make sure you tell him about the traction too, bro.
If you would listen, I just did that. Like what? Bro, don't listen to him, bro. Don't listen. I had a door. I don't say I can see this too. Now I'm saying, look, listen. So you got your tires ready or whatever, know what I'm saying? Things that don't need you. You got your sport on, you feel me? You cut your traction off. And that's what you gotta do. And make sure you're still up. While you're doing it, make sure you're still up here, you feel me? Make sure your water bottles are still up there. And I'm saying secured and things of that nature. You feel me? Make sure it's still secured and things. Because if not, you're not gonna do it. So what you're gonna wanna do is press on your brake real hard, like real hard, you see? And have your right foot on the gas, you feel me? And it's going, you will hear it up. Oh my, what? Oh, is it part? Oh, yeah, put it dry first. Alright, so now this isn't dry. You know what I'm saying? Do what I just said. Put on the brake all the way down and on the gas. You see? The car gonna like kick a little bit. You feel me? So what you gonna wanna do is start the burnout. Just now saying, like I said, do the same thing I just told you to do. Take it out of drive, put in the driver.
Stupid.
What you go see right here? The smoky smoke, you feel me? Like the smoky smokes that come out of the tire. Let me get out of the air, you know. How, gang.
Wait, hold on. Don't leave me.
Cause you wouldn't have an attitude. Me, I had left one. They'll be get return it. Hey, turn the seatbelt, Lord. Since you want an attitude, me, I left them. Late. Hey, listen, I ain't gonna lie. Taking over this video. Hey, that's the end of the video, you feel me? I told you how to do it, Burnout. I know you tired of him talking. You tired of him yapping, you tired of him talking. Hey, if y'all want to see more of me, let me know. I say, I'll post another video, you feel me? Well, listen, I say, this is day 27, I think day 43. I don't know what day we on, but now say, yeah, you're on upload streak, and I'll say, hey, y'all like this video. Comment if y'all want to see me more, you feel me? I said, Michael Smith, hey, hold up. Hey, not listen to the song, Levy. I hear they looking, man, I think you'll get. If you're the lover, man, hey, Billie Eilish, hey, hit me up. But now, hey, y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Comment me below. Now, say, if I told you how to do the Burnout real good, you feel me? Hey, listen, I'm the best. Hey, y'all hit the subscribe button. Hey, and we are out, you feel me? Hey,